Harbor Freight's got a bunch of sales going on. In this video, we're going to focus on some gifts under $25. And this is going to be grouped together with the early Black Friday sale, the Dollar Day sale, and of course, the Black Friday sale. So let's check out some of these hot deals under $25. So first up, guys, we've seen this before, but these are always a good pickup. The 3-ton Daytona jack stands. Multiple different colors. You're going to be able to pick these up during the Black Friday sale for $24.99. If you guys are looking for the 6-ton, they are doing a deal on those also, but those are going to be a little bit more. They won't fit into this $25 and under category. Another deal for your mechanics is this Pittsburgh Creeper. So this comes in at around $40, but during the Black Friday sale, this is going to be only $19.99. Another really good pickup here. I picked one of these up at the previous parking lot sale and been using it for about a year, maybe a little bit longer, and I love mine. Haven't had any issues. Works fine, pretty comfortable, really durable, lightweight. Capacity on these is 300 pounds, and you also can pick this up in 4 different colors. We got the hardwood dollies. Now these are going to be the 30-inch by 18-inch, 1,000-pound capacity hardwood dollies. Usually about $18. These are coming in at $12.99. These are always nice to have around the shop to help move things around. Next up, we got the metal ammo can. Now these military style cans are really nice. These are usually around $17, but you'll be able to pick these up for under $10, $9.96, so 41% off. And these are built really well. If you guys ever been into Harbor Freight and put your hands on these are very sturdy, nice condition. They got the weatherproof seal around the lid, so it keeps out all the dust and water. And then they got a nice strong latch on the side. It's going to keep everything locked in. Not only do these look cool, but it's a good, affordable way to keep your valuables in storage. Another item I like to pick up during the Harbor Freight sale are these rubber gloves by Hardy. They have these in 5mm, 7mm, and then also the heavy-duty 9mm. All of these are going to be on sale, ranging from $5 all the way up to $9. I always usually pick up the 7mm. Those come in a 50-pack for $7. Now, if you guys are like me and you like to keep everything organized, they also have the U.S. General magnetic glove / tissue holder. I usually throw my gloves in this just to kind of keep them organized, and so they're not taking up room in my tool drawer. This is only going to be $10. And these also come in 7 different colors. Now, for you guys that don't wear gloves and you're always getting your hands dirty, they do have a deal going on for the Grant shop towels. So this is a 50-pack, and they got these in a red or a white. These are coming in at $6.98. These are usually $14. Another useful item to keep around the shop. If you guys got some spills to clean up, or you just want to clean up your hands, these are always nice to have. And then another item I like to have is this 16-ounce hand soap. This is only $2, part of the Dollar Days sale. So you might need a coupon from that, but you can find the coupon on their website. This is always nice to have after you're done wrenching on your car. Your hands are all greasy. Throw some of this on to clean up your hands before you walk in the house so the wife doesn't yell at you. If you're looking for a simple socket set, they also have the Pittsburgh 1/4 inch. This is a 21-piece socket set. So you get your ratchet and you get all your sockets. This is an SAE and metric. There's a look at all the sizes you'll get. $14.99. So a few bucks off on this. Nice affordable ratchet set. They also got the Pittsburgh multi-bit screwdriver set. This is going to be a 34-piece set. This is another item I picked up a while ago, and I was actually surprised how much I used it. Came in really handy for those really small screws or when you're taking apart smaller electronics. Another item I seem to use a lot in my toolbox are these Pittsburgh 10-inch locking pliers. These are pretty cheap. They only come in at $2.99. These are normally around $7, so I usually pick up a couple of these just in case one breaks. Another item that I actually don't have but I like to pick up is this Franklin 150-pound capacity folding hand truck. So this is really nice, lightweight, folds up flat, so easy storage. And you'll be able to pick this one up for the early Black Friday for $24.99. If you guys are looking for some outdoor work gloves, they got the Hardy high-performance gloves. These are going to come in camo. And these are probably one of their better, more durable gloves. Now, I've picked up these other ones on the side here, these ones right here. And those are pretty good, not bad, but these other ones are really heavy duty. And these are going to come in at $10.99. Another storage option are these Apache 2800 cases. I actually own the rifle case. I love it. It's got that pick foam, but these smaller 2800s only $20. And this case comes in 3 different colors. Another mechanic special. I love these. Got these all over the shop. These 4-inch magnetic trays by Pittsburgh. These are always nice to pick up and super cheap, only 89 cents. Always come in handy when you're taking apart a project. And then they got the Warrior 1500 watt dual temperature heat gun. Regular price on this is $19.99. Cannot go wrong with this. These are only $9.96. I use my heat gun all the time when I'm doing electrical work on my car with shrink wrap, but I've also used mine to remove decals or to strip paint. I'm actually surprised how long mine's lasted. So for only $10, you really can't go wrong if you're looking for a decent heat gun. Another nice item to have to keep your wrenches organized is this US General 4-piece magnetic wrench rack. Now this is only a couple bucks off, but still a pretty decent deal. I like these a lot. Really good build quality. $13.99 normally. To be able to pick this up for $11.99. Now this next item wasn't originally on my list, but I think I'm getting caught up in all the hype. When I first seen this US General mini steel toolbox, kind of passed on it, didn't really give it a lot of attention, but after looking at it for a while, I think I'm going to pick one of these up, mainly because the price is going to be so cheap. Now I haven't seen any of these in my stores yet. Regular price on these online is $17.99, but for the Black Friday sale, these are going to come in way cheaper, $9.98, and it's going to be available in 3 different colors. So with that price being so low, I think I'm going to try to get in there early on Monday to see if I can grab one of these. So be able to pick one of these up on Monday. You're definitely going to have to be part of the ITC membership because those are the guys that get the first dibs at all the sales. And within the first couple days, I think most Harbor Freights are going to be sold out of these. Like I said, I'm probably getting caught up in all the hype because I'm not really sure what I'd use these for. Maybe to store some electrical terminals like you see here, or maybe some smaller tools. I do not think the top and the drawers lock, so it's not a small toolbox that I would carry around. Probably just spend most of the time on the top of my workbench. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something that you guys are going to pick up and what you would use it for? Now, item I probably get more use out of is this Hercules 10-inch tool tote. It's got 22 pockets, a couple bucks off on this. These are built really nice, and this is part of the early Black Friday sale. These are normally 25 bucks, but you'll be able to pick it up for $20. Another item I always like having laying around are these ratchet straps. So this is the Hallmaster. These are the 1,000-pound capacity ratcheting tie-down straps. This is a 4-pack, and for the early Black Friday sale, these are coming in at a pretty good price of $17. Another item I'm a huge fan are these solar powered security lights by Bunker Hill. So this is the 1,000 lumen motion activated. It's waterproof, pill and stick, or you can actually use screws to mount this to, say, a door or the side of your house. These come in really handy when you want to add security lights to the outside perimeter of your home or garage and you don't have an outlet available to run a wired light. These are really easy to install, and as long as you got them facing some sunlight, they'll stay charged and last you a long time. Another option they have that's a little bit cheaper and a little bit smaller are these 115 lumen wall-mounted solar security lights. Only $9 for these, and these come in black or white. You're not going to have as much lumen output with these, but these will still do a good job lighting up a dark corner of your backyard. Another item I found that comes in pretty handy around the shop are these assorted length stretch cords. So these are the bungee cords. It's a 12-piece. $1 off on these, only $5.99. And then also for $5.99, they got the mini elastic stretch cords. And with this assortment, you're going to get 20 pieces. Another item everybody should have is the duct tape. So they got the silver duct tape, $3.99. This was $4.79. And then if you guys are looking for some light duty shelving, they got the US General 4-tier shelving unit here. So this is only about 2 feet wide, 12 inches by 52 inches. This is going to come in under $25. And the weight limit on these, I'm pretty sure, is like 176 pounds, if I remember correctly. So more light duty. This would be great for a laundry room if you need to store some extra stuff, maybe some food storage. Definitely more of a lightweight shelving unit here, so you're not going to want to put something too heavy on it. All right, guys, so that's just a quick rundown of some of the items under 25 bucks that you might want to check out during all these sales at Harbor Freight. I'll be posting another video here for specifically just the Black Friday sale, some of the top deals to pick. So make sure you stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Hopefully you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure you smash the like button. Until the next one, I will talk to you later.